to lower your cost, raise productivity, and decrease your risk? Welcome to Iron Mountain's Imaging and Management Services. We can transition your paper documents to electronic records in no time. Our intelligent scanning solutions are located at our 9,000 square foot imaging center in Dallas, Texas. We have state-of-the-art security systems constantly monitoring your documents with closed-circuit cameras, 24/7 alarm, and badge access. The Imaging Center has over 100 staff members spanning several shifts that are trained and coached in all aspects of the imaging process to provide a more reliable imaging operation. We ensure you have constant access to your documents. From order placement to production updates, your DMS customer service specialist will be there for you during the imaging process. Also, you have 24/7 access using our free Iron Mountain Record Center portal called IM Connect. When your boxes are ready for imaging, you can place an order on IM Connect. Our weekly shuttle will arrive to pick up your imaging boxes and transport them directly to the Dallas Imaging Center. Once your boxes arrive in Dallas, they are inbounded to the Imaging Center and tracked in Asset Tracking, a system specifically designed for all Iron Mountain imaging centers to track live boxes during the imaging process. Asset Tracking can also alert our supervisors and managers to imaging deadlines so that we stay on top of production. With your boxes inbounded, your documents can now go into live production. Our Codex scan machines can capture 3,000 to 4,000 pages per hour, remove blank pages automatically, and alert the scan operator to double feeds with its built-in sensors. Our IBML scan machines can do the same while outputting 8,000 to 9,000 pages per hour. This means our IBML machines are capable of outputting close to 4 boxes per hour. That's 25 or more boxes in an 8-hour workday. And all of our production scanners can capture 200 or 300 DPI, duplex or simplex, black and white, grayscale, or full color images. Our imaging specialists are trained to scan various documents such as mortgage, HR, payroll, medical, and large format documents like survey maps and machine drawings. After scan, your documents move on to quality control. Quality control at Iron Mountain Imaging Centers uses the globally accepted ANSI quality control standards to ensure all pages are captured and of the highest quality. Our imaging specialists are also trained to perform 100% paper-to-image QC. Once all of your work has been through quality control, the images can now be validated. Our operators validate manually by keying all data points into the indexing field, or your information can be entered through Match and Merge or OCR. You can see we provide our clients several options that guarantee a naming convention they are happy and comfortable with. And we can output electronic images to any format, like a local server, secure file transfer protocol, DVD, or external hard drive. All data transfers Iron Mountain performs are encrypted for security and protection of your documents. Our expertise in production and information technology will help you create a custom solution for your imaging needs. What if you don't need to capture all of your documents electronically? Maybe you just need a few files imaged. Well, Iron Mountain can help you with that as well. With our Image on Demand services, you can scan the specific files you want whenever you need them. The images are scanned and securely sent to your email address through an email containing an encrypted link. It's that simple. I hope you enjoyed this in-depth tour of our DMS operations. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to call us anytime.